How to use DJ AI mode on Spotify. Firstly, check for updates that may be available for the Spotify app. For this, you need to open your app store in your iPhone device. If you own an Android device, then you need to open Google Play Store in your device. After that, go to the search bar and type in Spotify. Now look for updates that may be available for the Spotify app. If there are updates available, then update those. If not, then that means that your app is already updated. So now you can go back to your home page. After which you can scroll and navigate to the Spotify app. Then simply tap on the Spotify app to open it. After opening the Spotify app, you will see an interface like this. You will land to the home page of Spotify. Here you will see all the music that are available on Spotify. You will see artist, music or album also. Now from here you can just tap on the music that you'd like to listen. But to play these songs on DJ AI, you simply need to categorize your music. From the top panel, select the music option and all of the music will be shown to you. From these music, select the one that you like. You can just scroll down to look through the music that are available. Now just tap on the music that you like to listen. After which this kind of interface will be opened, which is of 1 month of premium for free. You can scroll down to see the subscription package. To listen music on DJ AI on Spotify, you need to have a subscription. So simply you can pay for any subscription from these options, after which you will be able to listen music on DJ AI. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.